Hello, my name is Abby Collins, and I will be your STEM guide throughout this project. Before we get into the engineering activities, it is important that we understand what engineering is and how the different disciplines relate to each other. What do you picture when you think of an engineer? Do you see a person in a construction hat holding tools? Do you see a person in a lab coat looking at something under a microscope? Or do you see a person sitting at a computer and typing away on a keyboard? The truth is, all of these people are types of engineers. Engineering is a very wide subject and can be divided into several different types. Aerospace engineers design primarily aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and missiles. They work with things relating to flying in space and are responsible for making sure their products are suitable for flying through the atmosphere and possibly into space. Agricultural engineers attempt to solve agricultural problems concerning the efficiency of machinery used in agriculture, the use of structures and facilities to store goods, the production of agricultural materials, and pollution and environmental issues. Architectural engineers design buildings that enhance our standard of living. They combine different systems, such as mechanical, structural, electrical, and plumbing, in order to make a building best suited for its inhabitants. Biomedical engineers design biomedical equipment and devices to help patients. They can make artificial organs, design machines to diagnose diseases, and create and provide technical support for machines that help remove or treat different diseases. Chemical engineers develop and design chemical manufacturing processes. They can apply chemistry, biology, math, and physics to solve problems including the production of food, chemicals, medicines, and fuel. Civil engineers design the infrastructure of the world. Infrastructure includes roads, bridges, dams, railroads, airports, harbors, irrigation systems, and sewage systems. Computer engineers research, design, develop, and test different computer systems and components. They often work on circuit boards, processors, networks, and routers, which are all a part of the computer system. Electrical engineers develop electrical systems, solve problems, and test electrical equipment. They work on both large and small-scale projects and apply the principles of electromagnetism, electricity, and electronics. Environmental engineers use engineering, soil science, biology, and chemistry to solve environmental challenges. They often work with engineers in other fields to help keep the project environmentally friendly. Materials engineers work with different types of materials, such as ceramics, metals, and plastics to create new compounds. They test different materials and study their properties to see which products they can make out of them. Mechanical engineers design power-producing machines, both inside and outside of buildings. Oftentimes, they work on electric generators, combustion engines, and refrigeration and air conditioning machines. Although there are many different types of engineering, they all have one thing in common. They work to creatively solve problems we face every day. Thank you for watching this engineering overview, and now you can continue on to the engineering activities.